Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room. And in this video presentation, I am going to promote an event, a webinar that the Stock Index Trading Room is going to hold Wednesday, July the 29th at 4:30 p.m. East Coast time in the US. And in this event, we're going to show you how in the room and how our members are predicting future price movement using Trap Trader Oscillator to read order flow. And this is going to be an introduction to that, so you'll know a little bit about what we're doing. It is a single idea event. It will be the only concept and idea that we cover in this event. And we're going to have some registration information for you in just a second if this is something you would like to come and look at. For this presentation, I would like for you to look at this disclaimer. If you have not read this, please pause the video and come back and join us when you're finished. Price follows order flow. Now, Wednesday, we're going to cover in detail the difference in volume and order flow, and it's the difference in night and day, chalk to cheese in our trading. But predicting future price movements is the single most critical trading concept that we have and need to understand in order for us to be successful traders. See, future price movement is dictated by new orders. Now, that's a Captain Obvious statement, but I don't think we talk about it enough. When new buy orders overwhelm sell orders, then the market has to respond with upward movement or expansion. And when new sell orders overwhelm buy orders, the market, of course, will have to range downward. And we're going to show you how we use Trap Trader Oscillator, a unique proprietary indicator that Rob Mitchell, World Cup trading champion, one-time largest E-mini trader in the world, developed in order to trade the ES, and how to read order flow, how to put order flow reads on our side. Overwhelming percentage of the time. So here's what it looks like on a chart. If you have questions, shoot me an email at support@Stock Index Trading Room, or if you would like a link to attend this event, then shoot me an email and I will get you a link. Most of our YouTube videos have between 500 and 1,000 unique views. We'll have 100 seats for this event. So if it's something you're interested in, we would encourage you to go ahead and get a link and register for it as soon as you can. So, Trap Trader Oscillator is this unique looking system in the first panel below our Smart Renko bars. All of our indicators, method system were developed and coded and tested and refined by Rob Mitchell, one of the great traders of our generation. So basically what we're doing is this. So you'll notice these green and red horizontal lines. Green and red horizontal lines. We call these TTO. This TTO dot is a smart break point. We call this Trap Trader Oscillator smart break point. And this would be what we would call a lead, L-E-A-D-O-U-T, lead out, to where when Trap Trader Oscillator penetrates a green horizontal line, price most likely goes up. When it penetrates a red line here, price most likely goes down. Okay, so there's several ways that we can approach this. I have a new signal that I'm going to show you, and we're going to cover that on Wednesday. I'll have some stats for you. This blue horizontal line represents the open, and this would be Friday, July the 24th, the open. And if you're familiar with our work, that's our bread and butter type 2 ultimate trend identification system. all hands on deck sell right here to get that first move down. Also, if you follow our work, you know that Friday morning has a very distinct down bias in the morning, and in mid to late morning, the ES tries to find a bottom and then trade north for the rest of the day. So knowing that it did help our members get involved in this move and start the day off with a really nice trade, nice move. This signal, the new signal we have, I don't have a name for it yet. You know, we like to name our signals so we can say, this is a strong Batman. So we can say, hey, rather than, hey, we've got a green, red, green price reversal box with trap trader oscillator showing type 1 divergence on the right, you know, by then it may be gone. So we name this a strong Batman, and we expect the market to do this about 90% of the time from this situation here. But here's the signal that we're going to be covering. And basically, we wait for a green break, and that gives us up order flow. And then we're going to look for a continuation bar that doesn't violate a red, doesn't give us a significant sell order flow contrary to that, so we can expect continuation. Now here we're fortunate in the fact that price is equal. So we get a massive up order flow read with trap trader oscillator and a double lead out situation, and price is the same. So rather than see here, we get a break and then a lead out, but we give up a little bit of real estate to get into that, a couple of points. Here we don't give up any, and we get a 5 full point winner right here. And then here we have, you can see we have a red break here. We look for the market. We want it to reverse, cycle, and continue without giving us a green order flow read. Okay, so at this point, we don't have that. We've not broken a green horizontal line. The last one was way up here. Okay, so that would be a short scalp of 2 or 3 points. Here you can see our order flow read is up. We get a break, a reversal, another nice 5 point winner. We're continuing up here. We go down, we go up, and we have this reversal. We'll mark these in the room for you. We have this reversal. You could have traded that if you're scalping a point or two, traded that. Here we have the situation that gives us a really nice 4 point winner on a sell. And here you can see we have a green break. We come down, we don't take out this red, so we're looking for this bar to get long. We go up 8 or 9 points before we reverse. And you can see we get these throughout the day. There's one, there's one. I don't know if I stopped marking. Yeah, I did. So that's what we're going to cover in great detail. It's just this new continuation signal that it appears that to start in our favor with a reasonable stop is going to be in the 85 to 90% likelihood. And we're going to do enough days that we can show you a track record that will make sense for you in your trading. So come join us Wednesday. It's 4:30 Wednesday afternoon, 4:30 East Coast time. We're going to go into detail how we predict future price movement using this brilliant indicator, trap trader oscillator, and all of the indications that we get to get entries that work in our favor a vast majority of the time. So we look forward to seeing you in the room. If you'd like a link for that, shoot me an email, support@stockindextradingroom.com. I'll get the link to you. And if you have questions or want to join us in the room and trade with us, then go to stockindextradingroom.com. We're running a promotion for a room membership discount through the end of this event. If you'll watch that video, you'll get a discount code or discount coupon for that. And we look forward to seeing you either in the room or Wednesday for our webinar.